Hello everyone. Today my PHP is going to share about how to delete an article on Joomla 4. There are many versions of Joomla, so the functions or menu of it might be different for each other. In this video, we will guide how to delete an article on Joomla 4 versions. To start with, step 1. Open Joomla 4 to access a part of a system administration by typing localhost slash database name of the created Joomla, then select administrator. Step 2. Click on Content, then Article to open all created articles. Then the display will show all created articles. The next step, mark the checkbox of the article that you want to delete, then click on Trash. If you want to delete all article, you can mark the top checkbox. The recent versions of Joomla 4 that you might be unfamiliar with using the toolbar. Deleting the article on Joomla 4 is simple and is quite not different from the previous versions. Here are for today. Thank you very much for your attention.